Catch him. Yeah! Fishing here, guys. Pick up yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, guys, it's early morning. I'm geared up. I'm getting ready to get out of here. I'm meeting up with my bestie today, my cousin, and we're gonna go deep sea today, guys. Yeah, definitely. Haven't been able to get out. Car's been down, and I've been wanting to get my kayak out, guys, and trust me, with the car down, it's been difficult. But don't worry, guys, put something together today. We're gonna get outside, waiting on my bestie to pick me up. She'll be here shortly, and she's almost here, guys. And we're heading out this morning on the deep. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. We at the dock. We're getting ready to load the boat up, guys. The boat's outside there. It's actually right there, guys. So we got to take one of these kayaks real quick and get out there to the boat, bring the boat around to the dock, load the boat up, and we're off. All right, guys, stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Guys, we're gonna do some messing around fishing meantime, and we wait on Yam to get here, guys. See if I can pick up a barrel real quick. Most likely can here. See if shore fishing can pick something up real quick this morning. Early morning hit on the lure, guys. Got jackfish chasing. 3 casts and nothing chased. Yeah, guys, so just seeing what was over there to see if there was actually anything sitting over there while we wait. No chases, but some little baby jackfish. I got baby jackfish chase. You heard? Baby jackfish chase. Like baby shark. Yeah.
Send me the link for what we need.
Uh-huh.
I'll make me order them here.
Yeah. Baby shark. See, I really don't want something to hit it behind this boat, because as soon as they hit it, they're going that way, and there goes my line. That's why I don't like fishing in piers, because inside of boating piers, because there's so much pylons. I've lost big fish because of those damn pylons already. It always happens to Yam here. Big carpent or something hooks onto your line here, and then that's it. It's on and popping. See boat, Dana? Yeah.
Enoch.
Huh?
Enoch.
Not a Ross.
Oh, it's, oh.
Yeah. Oh, fish on.
Oh, yeah.
Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on, guys. He went onto the boat. This bad boy got me this morning, guys. Look at this. We sitting here talking. Striker.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the morning started off good this morning, guys. Ah, Jalissa.
What we caught?
Yeah. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. That's what's up. Jack in the morning. Just get this boy in the cooler. He hit it hard, man. Scared the hell out of me. I was like, what the hell? One down. One down already. Nah, one jack. Yeah, nice jack too. So I'm Baraya. See him chasing the lure right here. Look.
Oh, yeah.
There he go. He's looking at the lure in the air like, yo, drop for me real quick. Watch. Watch this. Let me see if he's going to go for it. Hey guys, doing a deep sea adventure today. Waiting on my friend Shara to get out the bathroom. All had to use the restroom to make sure that everything's copacetic. This is our boat, and we're heading out. Yeah, guys, so we out with Cousin Yam today. We're about to do some real good fishing today, guys, and won't turn off the cameras until we reach out, guys, but you don't know how we're set up already. We outside. This is it. We on the Notaras again. But anyways, big up YouTube channel monetized now. Yeah, outside. There's shore fishing. We're here, guys. This is what's up. No. And I'm getting ready to drop my deep diver in the water real quick. And pass the sailboat out here when we drop the line. We don't hitch up in any more mooring balls.
No more mooring on this side. That's ends up on
Rolling time. When you see that bounce like that, that means it's a swim good, you see me? And that's an appetizing bait right there too. It's not that big, it's not that small, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man, a good size here.
27 feet deep. So yeah, guys, this is what a fish finder do. This is what real gears do. Gives you your speed, your depth, everything, and the contour of the water underneath. So this is what's up, guys. Technology and fishing. Bamboo, oh, fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Yeah? Fish on, guys! He's jumping. Fish on, guys.
Keep pressure on him.
Fish on, guys. Aha. Yeah, guys. First hook on the morning. New lures. Barra, hook him. Ah, yeah. Watch your leg, watch your leg. Yeah. That's what's up, guys. We got one already. Haha. Woo! Ah. Woo! Yeah, that felt good, boy. Damn it. Yeah, guys. Gotta knock him out. He almost hooked my nose. Oi, oi, watch your leg, watch your foot. Move, move, move. Cooler?
Yeah.
Yo, guys, off the cooler. Give me, come here. Yeah, guys, that's what's up, Magic Lure. We hit them again, guys.
You sure you're not cheating for anything? Yeah, man,
Yeah, man, why you lead? Are you teach me, no, boss? Boss, yeah, you teach me, no, man. You bring me now this lure game, you know. You forgetting?
No, man, I'm not forgetting.
Are you bring me that lure game, you know? You what? I just want to put me on the lure game, people. And I tell us, yo, trust me ever since, man. Lure God.
Shara, the next one hook on, you bring it in.
Hold it there.
Hmm?
Go around, I want to.
Yeah. I need a heavier rod. This rod can't manage that. This fishing rod and reel, I need something heavier. This is not for this. I felt that fish on there a while ago. I felt like the rod was gonna break. Yeah? But the drag on this cheap reel, I kid you not, the drag on this cheap reel is working. It's a Ploshino reel. I give it to you. Yes, Captain Shara at it. Yeah man, outside Jamaican shore fishing. First time driving a boat, don't? Yeah, cafe. That's right, we're giving you the cafe things now, right? Alright, the lure jumps up. Lure now swim good.
Oh, this?
My lure. Ah, that's why. Good God, first. Now you want another lure. I got another lure on this rod. I'll set that rod out. Good enough for me, kill one fish. Yes, it's weak, but I'm not telling a lie. One fish dead. Alright, let's see what this one's gonna do next. Yeah, one lure down, guys. Just get another lure in the water. Don't waste no time while you're fishing. That's what's up. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. So, pick up yourself, guys. So this is it, guys. Shoaling fishing in Montego Bay, Jamaica. This is what's going on, guys. How we doing? Got the line set. Fresh line on the rod, guys. Just landed a 10-pound barra. Landed like a 1-pound jack earlier on the light setup. Got more rods and stuff up here, guys. We have everything set up already to drop, do whatever we need to do. So, this is what's up. Short rod. Here, guys, this is what's up. Doing some trolling until we get to our spot and do some heat drop, pick up some snappers. This is what's up, guys.
Alright, there's a white boat, and there's another boat in Chile, and then there's the mark out there, the yellow mark on the right side. Just in between that dark boat and the yellow mark out there. You're going to just left and yellow mark and keep going.
Yeah, Captain. Yo, I bet you're the sexiest captain on the Jamaica waters right now.
Yes,
eh?
I am.
Yeah. I bet we got the sexiest captain by far on the Jamaican waters right now. I mean, there's no female out here like that. Ooh, outside. Just have to change my lure to get that bounce. So if you're trolling and you're not getting that bounce, that means your lure is not swimming good. So I'm getting a good swim now. You're getting that bounce. That's what's up, guys. Making sure fish it. Yeah, man. Got Captain Shara here at the wheel. Yeah, outside. Yeah, I'm here stringing up something. Leader line. Ready to kill something on that. We'll hear something go off in a bit, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on.
Come, Shara fish that can't fight.
Shara, come. Come, Shara.
Not the drag too much.
Shara, come on, Shara.
Keep pressure upon it.
Pressure on it, you know, Shara. Pressure on it, you know. Hold on, let me tighten up your drag a little bit.
Yeah.
Go on.
Joe, you can't video this on me, Joe?
I'm videoing it. Hold pressure upon him, you know.
Come forward, come forward.
Pump on one, Shara. I put it, let it up on you know, you that, you know. Bring him in, Shara. Keep pressure upon it. Don't let our pressure off him, you know. No pressure to come off him. Shara got this, people. Pressure, Shara. Come on, work it, girl. That's what's up. That's what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. Shara's at it. Yeah, man. Something big just hook on the line, on Shara line. Look, wild people. She's bringing it in. This is what's up. That is it. Come on, Shara. Kill that bad boy. Yeah. That's what's up, people. That is a monster up on this big lure, you know, people. I want big purple lure we got up on the thing, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Come on, Shara. Working, baby. Come on, working, baby. I know what's up, baby. Working, baby. That's what's up, girl. That's what's up. Work it.
My arms are tired.
You know. Call it when you look at him. Look at the size. Come on, work it.
Come on.
Video, come on. Come on, baby. Bring him in. Yeah, get the gaff. Bring him in. Come on. Wiley, don't let off pressure. Come on. Shara got this. I got 9% of battery left on this, people. I just want to get a glimpse of this. It's a big barra. Get the gaff.
Watch it there.
All right. Come on, Shara. Let me slide out of their way, guys. Let me slide out of the way. Hold on.
Don't lift him here.
Don't lift him. Let Yam gaff him. It's a big barra. Come on, Shara. Woo. Gaff him, Yam. Watch him. Yeah! Look at it. Gotcha. Watch the lure. Don't let him flash you with the lure. Yeah, guys. That's what's up. Watch your leg, Yam.
Sorry.
Watch your leg.
Sorry.
Hold the rod for a second. All right, just don't move. I got you. Go on, Yam. I got it. Slide over. I got him. Here, guys. Look at this. Big barra. That's what's up. That is it on the big purple lure, guys. Yeah. Yeah, man. Work Shara like a $2, you know? Here, guys. All right. Take out the fly out of the lower bag there. Shara. Wait. Hold him up. Step on him, Yam. Alright. You guys.